Are you ready to unlock the secrets of e-commerce success? Get ready to dive into a world of endless possibilities, where dreams become online empires and entrepreneurs thrive. We'll explore the key strategies that can help you build a successful online business while avoiding some common pitfalls along the way. From crafting a solid business plan to differentiating yourself in the crowded marketplace, we've got you covered. Get ready to revolutionize your approach to e-commerce. With insider tips and expert advice, you'll learn how to create a seamless user experience, attract loyal customers, and skyrocket your sales. Are you ready to turn your passion into profit? Let's get started on your path to e-commerce greatness. Get ready to conquer the e-commerce world with us. Let's go. 1. Business plan. The first and perhaps most crucial strategy is to start with a solid business plan. Many e-commerce ventures fail because they lack a clear vision and direction. Your business plan should outline your target audience, unique selling proposition, marketing strategies, and financial projections. It will serve as your roadmap to success. 2. Research. Research. It's time-consuming, but it's essential to thoroughly understand your target market. Identify their needs, preferences, and pain points. This knowledge will help you tailor your products or services to meet their demands effectively. 3. Differentiation. The next key strategy is differentiation. In the highly competitive e-commerce landscape, finding a unique selling proposition is vital. What sets your business apart from the rest? Is it your exceptional customer service, innovative product design, or seamless user experience? Highlight your unique strengths to stand out from the crowd. 4. Packaging. The packaging. It's more than just a box. Your packaging is an opportunity to create a memorable unboxing experience. Invest in high-quality materials, add personalized touches, and consider eco-friendly options. Customers love the excitement of receiving a well-packaged product. It's like opening a gift. 5. Marketing. Marketing plays a significant role in the success of your e-commerce business. But beware of the pitfall of spreading yourself too thin across multiple platforms. Instead, focus on a few key channels that align with your target audience. It could be social media, email marketing, content creation, or search engine optimization. Whatever you choose, be consistent and provide valuable content to build trust and loyalty. 6. Website. Speaking of trust, building a user-friendly website is crucial. Your website is the face of your business. Make sure it loads quickly, is mobile-friendly, and has clear navigation. Display customer testimonials and secure payment options to instill confidence in your potential buyers. 7. Customer service. Customer service can make or break your e-commerce business. A pitfall to avoid is neglecting your customers after the purchase. Provide exceptional support, respond promptly to inquiries, and go the extra mile to exceed expectations. Happy customers become loyal brand advocates. 8. Passionate team. Growing your business often requires a team effort. Surround yourself with passionate individuals who share your vision. Delegate tasks and empower your team to take ownership of their roles. Collaboration and synergy will fuel your e-commerce venture to new heights. 9. Networking. Networking is not to be underestimated. Attend industry events, join online communities, and connect with fellow e-commerce entrepreneurs. Sharing knowledge and experiences can be invaluable. You never know when a collaboration or partnership opportunity might arise. So, here are the key strategies for creating a successful e-commerce business. Start with a solid business plan, conduct thorough market research, differentiate yourself, create a memorable unboxing experience. Focus on effective marketing channels, build a user-friendly website, prioritize exceptional customer service, collaborate with a passionate team, and leverage networking opportunities. But wait! Before you embark on this journey, let's discuss some pitfalls to avoid. Pitfall number 1: unrealistic expectations. Building a successful e-commerce business takes time and effort. Don't expect overnight success. Stay committed, be patient, and continuously learn and adapt. Pitfall number 2: poor financial management. Keep a close eye on your finances, budget wisely, and track your expenses meticulously. Many promising e-commerce ventures have crumbled due to poor cash flow management. Pitfall number 3: neglecting customer feedback. Listen to your customers, take their feedback seriously, and make improvements accordingly. Ignoring their concerns can damage your reputation and drive potential buyers away. Pitfall number 4: neglecting self-care. Building a successful e-commerce business can be demanding and overwhelming. Remember to take care of yourself physically and mentally. Nurture your well-being to maintain the energy and focus required for long-term success. Finally, pitfall number 5: choosing the wrong e-commerce platform. Research and select a platform that aligns with your business needs, scalability, and budget. Consider factors like ease of use, customization options, security features, and customer support. And there you have it, key strategies to create a successful e-commerce business and some pitfalls to avoid along the way. Remember, Rome wasn't built in a day, and neither is a thriving online business. Stay focused, stay passionate, and most importantly, believe in yourself. If you enjoyed this video, hit that like button, subscribe to our channel, and don't forget to click the notification bell to stay updated with our latest content. Until next time, keep hustling, keep dreaming, and keep building those e-commerce empires. Take care.